Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the Shark Navigator lift-away upright vacuum model. This is the Teal version designed specifically for pet owners with self-cleaning brushroll technology. If you are tired of cutting hair off your vacuum roller, this one might be your solution. Let me break down the specs. It features a self-cleaning brushroll engineered to prevent hair wrap. Lift-away functionality lets you detach the pod for cleaning stairs and furniture. Anti-Allergen complete seal technology with HEPA filter traps dust and allergens inside. It comes with Upholstery tool and pet Crevice tool included. The self-cleaning brush roll is the star here. Unlike traditional vacuums where hair tangles around the brush, this one actively removes hair as you clean. Pet owners will appreciate not having to cut wrapped hair constantly. Lift-away technology adds versatility. Detach the pod for lightweight cleaning above floors on upholstery furniture and stairs. The main unit also works great for under furniture cleaning. HEPA filtration with complete seal technology ensures allergens stay trapped inside. Great for households with allergy sufferers. Swivel steering makes maneuvering around furniture effortless. Included tools are practical. Pet Crevice tool reaches tight spaces where pet hair hides. Upholstery tool works on curtains, lampshades, and delicate fabrics. The 25-foot cord gives good reach. Dust cup capacity is 0.89 quarts, which requires frequent emptying but maintains strong suction. Weight is around 14.99 pounds. If you want a pet-focused vacuum with self-cleaning brush roll and versatile lift-away design, the Shark Navigator ZU503AMZ delivers. Link to buy on Amazon is in the description. Thanks for watching.